Ugh, my back is killing me.
Yeah.
I think I've been hunched over my computer a little too long today.
Oh, yeah, I know that feeling.
Like my back just wants to give up.
It's crazy how we always think it's our fault, you know?
Yeah.
Like, we just have bad posture.
Right.
But I think there's, like, a lot more to it.
Mm.
Like, have you ever heard of the multifidus? The what? The multifidus.
No.
It's this muscle in your back.
Yeah.
And it's super important for, like, stability and posture.
So it's like a secret weapon for our core.
Exactly.
Mm.
And actually, we're going deep on this today because one of our listeners asked about it.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
What do they want to know?
They want to know how to strengthen the multifidus.
Okay, so how do we strengthen this multifidus?
Wow.
Sounds important.
It is really important.
Yeah.
So you want to think about it this way.
Okay.
Imagine you're trying to balance a stack of blocks. If the
Right.
foundation is like wobbly,
Yeah.
the whole thing's going to fall over. That's kind of what happens if your multifidus is weak.
So it's more about stability than strength.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Like if you're doing exercises,
Yeah.
think about like bird dog.
Oh, yeah.
You're on your hands and knees.
Uh-huh.
You extend one arm and the opposite leg.
Right.
That's great for the multifidus.
Okay.
It's all about control.
So you're not just like flinging yourself around.
Right.
Yeah.
Just like nice and controlled.
Got it.
And then you can also do planks,
Yeah.
bridges, but make sure you're using the right form.
So I guess that means like crunches are out.
Yeah, crunches are more for like those big ab muscles.
Okay.
Not really for the deep stabilizing ones like the multifidus.
So I can give up on that six-pack.
Pretty much.
That's pretty cool.
You know, a six-pack doesn't necessarily mean you have a healthy core.
True.
So.
Okay, so I'm doing all these exercises. So
Yeah.
how do I even know if I'm using my multifidus?
Right.
Like I can't see it.
You can't see it in the mirror. So it's really about like being mindful.
Okay.
So think about like pulling your belly button in towards your spine,
Okay.
kind of like you're zipping up a really tight pair of jeans.
I can picture that.
You should feel those deep core muscles engaging.
Yeah.
And make sure your spine stays neutral the whole time.
So it's all about quality over quantity.
Exactly.
Yeah, like no point in doing a ton of reps if I'm not even using the right muscle.
Exactly.
Okay.
Consistency is key.
Gotcha.
So just do a few sets a few times a week.
Mm-hmm.
And as you get stronger, you can try harder variations
Okay, cool.
or add some weights.
So what can I expect to see if I start doing all this?
Oh, the benefits are amazing.
Like what?
You'll have better posture.
Of course.
It protects your spine from injuries.
Oh, that's good.
It can even reduce back pain.
Wow.
And you know what else? It can even make you a better athlete.
Really?
Yeah, because you have better core stability and power transfer.
Wow. This little muscle is like a superstar.
It really is.
I'm already imagining myself with perfect posture and no more back pain.
That's the goal.
All thanks to my awesome multifidus.
Exactly.
So it's not just for athletes or people with back problems.
No, not at all.
Everyone can benefit from this.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's awesome.
And here's something to think about.
Okay.
As you go about your day.
Yeah.
Just notice how often you're using your multifidus.
Yeah, interesting.
It's in almost everything you do.
Wow, I never really thought about it like that.
Yeah, so strengthening this muscle could really make a big difference in your life.
I'll have to keep that in mind.
Awesome.
Well, thanks for all the info.
No problem.
I'm excited to try out these exercises and see what happens.
Yeah, let me know how it goes.
I will.
All right, cool.
Thanks again.
You're welcome. Bye.
Ugh, my back is